Hi, I'm Mayur, and this is my capstone project, Agentic RAG code-based Documentor. In most engineering teams, Python ETL pipelines evolve fast, but documentation does not. New developers have to reverse engineer the code manually, which slows down onboarding and increases risk, especially in the regulated industries where clear traceability matters. Writing docstring, summarize, and design docs is tedious, time-consuming, and usually ignored. My goal was to automate this entire process using agents and Gemini. You will ask why agents? Instead of a single chatbot prompt, I wanted a system where each component has a clear, isolated responsibility, the same way a real engineering team works. One agent should scan the repo, another should understand function behavior, another should write documentation, and another should propose refactor suggestions. So I built a multi-agent architecture where specialized agents collaborates to keep documentation in sync with the code base. Here's the high-level view. At a base, a code base loader and AST parsing tool walk through the repository, extract Python functions, and compute metadata like name, location, and source code. These function sources are indexed using TF-IDF retrieval index, which enables similarity search and contextual reasoning. On top of this layer, I built 5 agents. First is retriever agent, passes the entire repo, and builds the retrieval index. Second is a reasoner agent, analyzes each function, explains its behavior, identifies responsibility, and flags design smells. Third is Documentor agent, generates Google-style docstrings and clear summaries. Fourth is refactor agent, suggests structural improvement like splitting large functions, cleaning naming, or removing side effects. And the last one is orchestrator agent. Coordinates all the above, manages sessions, uses a memory bank for caching, and logs execution with observability decorators. This architecture satisfies the multi-agent tool, memory, and observability requirements of the capstone. Here's a quick demo. This notebook is a sample of ETL repository, the orchestrator triggers, and retriever agents. I'm using the input dataset as sample repo, where there are multiple files like fileutils.py, transformer.py, datacleaner.py, and etlpipelines.py. I've already run this notebook, and here's the output. For each non-trivial function, the reasoner agent explains what the function actually does. The documenter agent generates a clean docstring and a short summary describing its purpose in the pipeline. And the refactor agent identifies issues, mixed responsibilities, long functions, or repeated logic. You can see the output printed in the notebook and exported to the JSON and Markdown files. I've also added an evaluation step for the function load CSV. I've compared Gemini's generated docstring with the ground truth docstring using a simple token overlap metric. It's not a full research evaluation, but it demonstrates how quality assessment can be integrated. Everything is built in standard Python with ADK style agent framework. There are custom tools for file loading, AST-based parsing, retrieval indexing, memory and session management, logging and tracing for observability. The analysis, documentation, and refactor suggestions are powered by Gemini, each with its own role-specific prompt. In future work, this system could be connected to a CI pipeline, run automatically on pull request, extend to multi-language codebase, or deployed with Vertex Agent Engine or Cloud Run. Thanks for watching and welcome to the Agentic RAG Codebase Documenter.